Hi, I'm Christian. Welcome back to another On the Road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. Today we are going to take a look at the dispenser assembly on this Maytag under-the-counter dishwasher. A faulty dispenser assembly will cause the dishwasher not to dispense the soap or rinse aid. To begin this repair, we first must separate the door liner. To begin this repair, we first must open the door and remove the T20 screws that secure the door liner with the actual door itself. The tools you will need for this repair are a 1/4 inch nut driver, a flat blade screwdriver, a T20 Torx drill bit incorporated with the drill, or a T20 screwdriver. Now remove the 10 T20 screws that secure the actual door liner to the actual door panel. Once the 10 screws have been removed, we can go ahead and start separating the actual door liner from the door panel. Be careful when you do so because it's sheet metal and it is very sharp. Now, once you've had them separated, you are going to want to put your drill or something down on the inside of the actual door panel to weigh the actual door panel down, or you can remove one of the springs on each side to get rid of the tension so it doesn't want to swing back close on you. Now that the wires are disconnected, we can go ahead and remove the 6 1/4 inch screws that secure the dispenser assembly to the door liner. We're going to start with the top. Once we remove the last screw in the top, we're going to take a hold of the actual bracket and set it aside with the screws. We'll do the same for the bottom. Be careful when you're setting the bracket aside. It's sheet metal and it is a little sharp. Now the bottom. Once the last screw has been removed, we can go ahead and tilt the door liner back to the about a 45-degree angle, right about there, and push it through from the other side and set it aside. Now we'll go ahead and place the dispenser. The soap dispenser side goes on the left-hand side and the rinse aid goes on the right. So we'll put it in its slot there. We'll go ahead and close the door liner. Whenever you're handling the door liner, be careful. It is very sharp. It's made of sheet metal. Right here, you will cut yourself very easy. So line up the dispenser, and we'll go ahead and install the top bracket first. So we'll line up the bracket. And then resecure the top bracket with the 3 1/4 inch screws we removed earlier. Make sure your torque is turned down when installing on the new dispenser. We are tightening or securing the actual screws into plastic, so we don't want to strip the plastic out. Now we'll install the bottom bracket. We'll line up the bracket and then resecure it with the 3 1/4 inch screws we removed earlier. Once all the screws have been fastened, we can go ahead and reconnect the actual 2 wire connectors that go to the dispenser. It doesn't matter what order they go in, they're just completing a circuit. We can now reinstall the door liner to the front panel. We can now reinstall the door liner onto the front panel. We'll go ahead and drop the door liner down, line it up. Be careful when you're doing this. Again, the door liner is very sharp. Line it up. Now we can reinstall all the T20 screws that go around the door liner that hold the door liner to the actual front panel. Now we can shut the door, and this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality in-home repair video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.